Now see students, today we will see page number 68. You can see here value based questions. In that value based questions, what question is given? Kaveri is fond of reading story books. She reads 46 pages of a story book in 1 hour. Okay, this information is given. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? कावेरी को बुक्स पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है और वो 1 आवर में 46 पेजेस रीड करती है. So what is the question now? How many pages will she read in 5 hours? So what we have to do? क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको? 46 पेजेस वो 1 आवर में रीड करती है. तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि 5 आवर्स में वो कितने बुक्स के पेजेस रीड करेंगी. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डू हियर 46 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. ओके, सो डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 5 6 are 30. Write down 0 here. 3 is carry. 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 3 23. So you will write on this line. See, one line is given there, so you have to write on that line Kaveri reads to 30 pages in 5 hours. Okay, so this answer you have to write on that given line. Okay, now see B question. B question, what is given in that B question? Do you think reading stories is a good habit or just a waste of time? क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में कि स्टोरी बुक को रीड करना एक अच्छी आदत है, एक अच्छी हैबिट है, या फिर जस्ट एक टाइम पास के लिए हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. नो, हमें अगर स्टोरी की बुक हमको रीड करनी है, बहुत सारे बच्चों को ऐसे हैबिट होती है कि बहुत सारे कॉमिक्स पढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारे स्टोरी के बुक्स पढ़ते हैं. सो दैट इज अ गुड हैबिट. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन देयर इट इज अ गुड हैबिट. Okay, बस this much is enough. It is a good habit. You will write on this line. One blank line is given. So on that blank line, you have to write down, it is a good habit. Okay, so you write down both the answers, this answer and this answers, in that value based questions. Now see review exercise. In that review exercise, A question is multiply. So we have to multiply all these examples. 14 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So 14 2s are how much? 28. Now see second example. 23 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So what is our answer? 46. Now see third example. 20 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 0. 0. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8. So what is our answer? 80. Now see fourth question. 73 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. What is the carry? 1. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 43. So what is our answer? 438. Now see fifth example. 20 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 0. 0. 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. So what is our answer? 140. Now see sixth example. 43 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So what is our answer? 86. So you will write all these 6 answers in your textbook. Now see B question. Find the product. Find the product means what? Multiplication, simple multiplication. Now see first example. So this B example, the B question you have to write in your notebook. Find the product. You first write down review exercise and then write down B question. Find the product in your notebook, and all these examples you have to write down in your notebook. So first you write down first example, 25 multiplied by 6. So we will solve one by one all the examples. So 6 5s are 30. So you will write here 0 and 3 is the carry. So write down 3 carry upside of this 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So you write down 15 here. So what is our answer? 150. Now you write down second example in your notebook. What is that? 73 multiplied by 8. Okay. Now when you are writing in your notebook, as I told you that every number you have to write down in each separate boxes. Okay. So just like this you have to write down 73 multiplied by 8. So 8 3s are 24. So write down 4 here and 2 is our carry. So write down 2 above this 7. 8 7s are how much? 56. 56 plus 2 58. So you write down 58 here. So what is the answer? 584. Okay. So you will write this answer in your notebook. Now see third example. 80 multiplied by 5. Then write down 80 multiplied by 5 in the boxes. Now multiply this. 5 multiplied by 0. 0. You know very well. 5 8s are how much? 40. So you write down 40. So what is the answer? 400. Okay. Now see fourth example. 20 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 0. 0. 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? 80. Now see fifth example. Fifth example is what? 41 multiplied by 7. So write down 41 multiplied by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. So you write down 28. So what is the answer? 287. Okay. Now write down sixth example. 27 multiplied by 5. Okay. 5 7s are how much? 5 7s are 35. So you write down 5 here and write down the carry 3 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. So you write down 13 here. So what is the answer? 135. Okay. Now see seventh example. 32 multiplied by 6. So you write down 32 multiplied by 6. 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. So you write down 2 here and write down the carry 1 here. Okay. 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So you write down 19 here. So what is the answer? 192. Okay. Now see eighth example. 43 multiplied by 9. So you write down like this. 43 multiplied by 9. 9 3s are how much? 27. So you write down 7 here and 2 is the carry. So 2 write down up above this 4. 9 4s are how much? 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. So you write down 38 here. So what is our answer? 387. So you have to write down all these 8 questions in your notebook. Now see C question. Find the product. Find the product means what? Multiplication. Now this question also you have to write down in your notebook. You will write C, find the product, and then write down all these examples. So first example is 10 multiplied by 2. Very simple. 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 ones are 2. What is our answer? 20. Now see second example. 20 multiplied by 2. So write down like this, 20 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 2s are 4. So what is our answer? 40. Now see third question. 30 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 3s are 12. So you will write like this. What is our answer? 120. Now see fourth example. 50 multiplied by 3. So you will write 50 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. 3 5s are how much? 15. So you will write like this. So what is our answer? 150. Now see fifth example. 10 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 ones are 8. So what is our answer? 80. Now see sixth example. 60 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. So you write down here 30. So what is our answer? 300. Now see seventh example. 30 multiplied by 8. So write down 30 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 3s are 24. So what is the answer? 240. Now see 8th question. 40 multiplied by 8. So write down like this. 40 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 4s are 32. So you write down 32 here. So what is the answer? 320. Now see 9th question. 70 multiplied by 8. So 70 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 7s are 56. Okay. So what is the answer? 560. Now see 10th example. 50 multiplied by 5. So write down 50 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. So what is the answer? 250. Now see 11th question. 70 multiplied by 4. So 70 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 7s are 28. So what is the answer? 280. Now see 12th example. 40 multiplied by 5. So 40 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 4s are 20. So write down 20 here. So what is the answer? 200. So all these examples you have to write down in your notebook. Now see D question. Fill in the blanks. Now see this question, D question, you will write in your textbook page number 68. Okay. First example is 8 multiplied by 32 equal to 32 multiplied by dash. So such type of examples we have already seen in last chapter also. So very simple. This side and this side we have to make equal. Okay. No need to do here multiplication. Very simple. Now see 8 multiplied by 32 equal to 32 multiplied. So which number is remaining now? 8 multiplied by 32 and 32 number is given here. So which number is missing here? 8. So we have to write down simple there 8. No need to do any kind of multiplication. Which number is missing? That number you have to write in your fill in the blanks. Okay. Now see second example. Dash multiplied by 8 equal to 8 multiplied by 19. Now this side is given. In this example this side was given. Now in this example this side is given completely. So 8 multiplied by 19. Now see equal to sign. Beside this equal to sign, what number is given? Which number is given here? 8. So multiplication sign is there and here fill in the blanks is given. So which number is missing here? 19. So this 19 you have to write here. So 19 multiplied by 8, this side equal to 8 multiplied by 19. We have to make both the sides equal. So very simple, just write down that missing number here. Okay, now see third example. Third example very simple. Straight away they have given 81 multiplied by 1. How much? 81 multiplied by 1 equal to 81. So you write down here 81. Okay, now see fourth example. 18 multiplied by 1 equal to, fill in the blanks, multiplied by 18. So this side is given here 18 multiplied by 1 and here which number is missing? 1. So we have to write here 1. 1 multiplied by 18. Now both the sides are equal. Okay. Now which is the next example? Fifth. 50 multiplied by 0. So you know very well now any number multiplied by 0. What is our answer? 0. No need to do multiplication. Directly you can write. Suppose 100 multiplied by 0. What is the answer? 100. Suppose 1000 multiplied by 0. What is the answer? 0. Okay. So this answer is 0. Now see here. 39. Sixth question. 39 multiplied by dash equal to 0. See. Answer is given 0. Okay. So what is given here? Fill in the blanks. So what we have to write here? 39 multiplied by which number equal to 0. So if we write here 0, what is our answer? 0. Any number multiplied by 0, what is our answer? 0. So we have to write here simple 0. Okay. Now see seventh example. Dash multiplied by 17 equal to 70. So what we have to write here? Which number multiplied by 17 equal to 17? That number is 1. 17 ones are 17. So we have to write here only 1. So write down all these answers in your textbook. Now see equation. See now equation you have to write down in your notebook because that is a word problem. So write down in your notebook. The cost of one tiffin box is ₹85. टिफिन बॉक्स हम लोग जो स्कूल में लेकर जाते हैं. सो ऐसे एक टिफिन बॉक्स, वन टिफिन बॉक्स की प्राइस कितनी है? 85 रुपीज. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 टिफिन बॉक्सेस. तो ऐसे ही 5 टिफिन बॉक्सेस की प्राइस कितनी होगी? कॉस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? प्राइस. उसकी कीमत हमको निकालनी है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो यू राइट डाउन 85 multiply by 5. So like this you will write in your boxes. Okay. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. So you will write here 5. 2 is our carry. So write down 2. 5 8 za. How much? 40. 40 plus 2, 42. So write down 425. Now our statement you have to write down. So cost of 5 tiffin boxes is 425 rupees. So this is our statement. You will write below this 425, you have to write down this last statement. Now see F questions. This question also you have to write down in your notebook. There are 84 pages in a notebook. क्या दिया है यहाँ पर? एक नोटबुक में 84 पेजेस है. How many pages are there in 9 such notebooks? तो ऐसे ही 9 नोटबुक्स में कितने पेजेस होंगे वो हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर? हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो राइट डाउन 84 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9. सो राइट डाउन लाइक दिस Every time you remember when you writing in your notebook, you have to write in the boxes. Okay. Now 84 multiply by 9. 9 fours are how much? 36. So write down 6 here. 3 is our carry. So write down here carry. 9 eights are how much? 72. 72 plus 3. How much? 75. So you write down here 5 and write down here 7. So what is our answer? 756. So our last statement is 756 pages are there in 9 notebooks. So as it is, you have to write in your notebook. Now see your page number 69, mental maths. So what is given in the first question? Multiply the smallest 2-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number means which number? 10. Okay. With the greatest 1-digit number. Which is the greatest 1-digit number? That is 9. And what is the question? Multiply. So greatest 1-digit number is 9. So 10, 9. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. And greatest 1-digit number is 9. So what we have to do? Multiplication of 10 into 9. 10 9s are 90. So what is our answer? 90. Okay. Now second example, 40 multiplied by 2. Now we can do directly here. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 4s are 8. We can write directly answer also. So write down 80 here. Now 55 multiplied by 10. So 55 tens are how much? 550. See, only 1 0 is there. So just write down that number and write 1 0. So 550 is our answer. Now see fourth question. 29 multiplied by dash dash equal to 0. See, what is the answer? 0. 0 is given. So which number we have to write here? We have to write down here also 0. Because see, 29 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. Just I told you, any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So we have to write here 0. Now see, next example, fifth, dash multiplied by 1 equal to 69. So which number multiplied by 1 equal to 69? So we have to write down here 69. Because see, 69 multiplied by 1 equal to how much? 69. So we have to write down here 69. Now see, sixth example, 29 multiplied by 5 equal to dash multiplied by 29. So now no need to do here multiplication. Multiplication करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ये साइड और ये साइड हमको इक्वल करनी है. So which number is missing here? 29 is given already. So which number is missing? 5 number is missing. So you just write down 5. So 29 multiplied by 5 equal to 5 multiplied by 29. Now both the sides are equal sides. Okay. Now see seventh question. 7 multiplied by 80. Now see 8 sevens are how much? 56. 8 sevens are 56. And 1 0 80. Okay. So 1 0 we have to be here this like this. So what is our answer? 560. Okay. Now see 8th question. 12 multiplied by 4. So you know very well now table of 12. 12 multiplied by 4, 48. We know very well table of 12, so we can write directly answer 48. Now see 9th question. What is given in this 9th question? Find the product. Product means what? Multiplication. Multiplication of the place values of 2's in 622. Now which number is given here? 622. And what is the question? Find the product. Product means multiplication. किसका हमको multiplication करना है यहाँ पर? place values of 2's in 622. Now see 2's. So this is ones, tens and hundreds. So what they have asked, क्या पूछा है उन्होंने? 2's. हमें 2's की प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो ये जो 2 है इसका प्लेस वैल्यू कितना है? टेंस है ना. सो टेंस हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं फिर? 2 tens are 20. Place value of this 2 is 20. एंड अभी यहाँ पे 2s पूछा है. 2s मतलब ये दो नंबर, ये 2 टाइम्स है ना. 2 टाइम्स 2 नंबर दिया है, 2 नंबर दिया है. तो हमें इस एक 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ दूसरी 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट 2 इज वंस. वंस हम कैसा लिखेंगे? प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज 1 मीन्स 2 ones are 2. So what we have to do here? So place value of this 2 is 20. So what we have to do? Multiplication. So 20 multiplied by 2. 20 2s are how much? 40. So 20 2s are 40. So 40 is our answer. Okay. Now see 10th question. Find the product. Product means what? Multiplication of the place value and the face value of 5 in 1259. अभी सबसे पहले हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5. नाउ सी वंस, टेंस. सो 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? टेंस. सो 5 टेंस आर हाउ मच? 50. सो वी विल राइट हियर फर्स्ट 50. एंड फेस वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू मीन्स व्हाट? जो नंबर हमें पूछा है प्लेस वैल्यू का, वही नंबर हमको, अभी ये फेस वैल्यू पूछी है इस 5 की. अभी ये फेस वैल्यू जो होती है, जो नंबर पूछा है वही नंबर हमको लिखना पड़ता है. तो अभी तो हमें प्लेस वैल्यू तो हमने निकाल ली है. 5 10 50, क्योंकि 5 टेंस की प्लेस पर है. वंस टेंस. सो 5 10 50. और अभी इसकी क्या फाइंड आउट करने की हमको? फेस वैल्यू. तो फेस वैल्यू मीन्स व्हाट? दैट नंबर ओनली. जो हमको 5 नंबर पूछा है ना, तो 5 की फेस वैल्यू क्या है? सिर्फ 5. तो हमें और यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है? प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट करना है मीन्स क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. तो 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, क्योंकि 5 की फेस वैल्यू 5 ही आएगी. ओके. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. 5 5s are 25 and 1 0 is there. So you have to write down here 1 0. So what is our answer? 250. Okay, so you have to write down all these answers in your textbook, and in this way our multiplication lesson is over.